Brought to you by GTA. We start with you.
As we recently reported, there are now a total of 15 Port Authority employees who have tested positive for COVID. Nichol Flores, the wife of a Port employee, took to the link this morning, sharing her thoughts on the contact tracing process.
He got a phone call from HR that one of his coworkers tested positive over the weekend. And so they told him that they're going to schedule him for a COVID testing. And now we're here.
As her and her husband wait in line at Public Health's Northern Region Health Center for their COVID test, Nichol asked why it took so long to get tested in the first place.
What's frustrating is we got the call Monday and we're only going to get tested today. And everyone was getting sick day by day by day. And it's crazy because we have to wait that long to get tested. And then you want your Port employee to come to work after getting tested until you get the results.
Directives from the Department of Public Health and the Joint Information Center encourage those who may have been exposed to get tested and quarantine for a 14-day period. But General Manager of the Port Authority of Guam, Rory Respicio, says things are a little different when it comes to Port employees.
Unfortunately, we don't have that ability here at the Port. We're following the Center for Disease Control's guidelines for critical infrastructure that basically says for as long as you're not sick, for as long as you're not positive, you come to work because of the essential nature of the Port Authority. 90% of the goods coming to the island come to the Port, and we cannot even afford to shut down, not even for a day, much less several days, much less 14 days.
On the link this morning, Flores was critical of Public Health's contact tracing efforts.
Public Health is not doing the contact tracing. It's the people itself, then reporting it to HR. After HR, I really don't know what's going on because we have to backtrack who's our surrounding.
General Manager Respicio cleared things up, noting that the Port's contact tracing team has been in contact with Public Health in regards to possible exposures, with Public Health scheduling tests at the appropriate times.
When Ms. Flores was talking about not being contacted by Public Health, I really think that that's a disservice to Public Health, because Public Health wouldn't have contacted her because she, for all intents and purposes, what has she been exposed to? But I could tell you though that if, God forbid, on the event that the husband, if he's positive, then Public Health contact tracers will step in and make contact with her, other members of her household.
Respicio says that the Port Authority is taking all the necessary precautions to mitigate the spread of COVID within the port, enforcing strict COVID protocols. Respicio also commended Nichol for her courage in speaking out, adding that it's messages like these that keep us vigilant. Reporting for Guam's News Network, I'm Peter Santos.
Brought to you by GTA. We start with you.